onto Wingspawn. Subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow I'm getting a tripod, so I'm gonna get bigger and better quality content. And I also think it comes with like a light as well, like a ring. I don't know what you call them, but hopefully this is gonna be better than a torch as well. And obviously sat on a bloody chair as well, so hopefully I'll be able to get a good look inside the drum then, and a better angle. At least these haven't fallen apart like bloody slippers did the other week. Pretty sure you watched that video, failure. Hey, look at that, that's bloody cool. Look at that shoe there. And that one. Like a piece of artwork, that. Bloody hell. Surprising how drum rotations aren't there when the shoe's in a bloody washing machine. What's the others going up there now? Getting a bit suds there, but not as much as the main wash. I have put a tiny bit of softener in that, probably go through on the next wince. I think it only does 2 on here, I don't know, 2 or 3.